Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you useful steps on how to fix no sound problem issues in your Windows, okay? Let's start. First is you need to locate here your cursor and then do a right click and then go to sound settings. Once you open your sound settings, just make sure that the speakers that your device is using is in marked. The main device is in marked, and then might as well here in the volume, just make sure that this is 100. Okay, 100. Then as well as here in the microphone, just make sure that the device that you're using is in on. Okay, so next step is you need to go for volume mixer. Here in the volume mixer, you need to make sure that all sound system sounds is on. And here in the input device, just make sure that the device you're using is in default and might as well here in the output device. Okay? So another step is you need to go for input and output device, troubleshoot common sound problems. Here you need to click this because this will detect problems in your playing audio. Okay? Just have to wait and it will ask you what problem does your computer faces in your playing audio. Okay? Might as well here in the input devices, this will detect problems in your recording audio. Okay? So if here in the output devices, it will check your playing audio. Here in the input devices, it will check your recording audio, whatever the problem is. Okay, let's just wait. So it's now checking audio service status. What's the current status of our audio service? Here it will ask you what this device do you want to troubleshoot. Just click anywhere of this option of what device do you want to troubleshoot and then click on next. Okay? So let's say if it still doesn't working, then let's close this and go for device manager. How? Just locate the cursor here in the Windows icon, do a right click and simply scroll up to locate device manager. Click that to open. And once you open your device manager, just maximize that and look for audio. Here, audio inputs and outputs. Just click the arrow icon here and you need to select the device that you are using. So let's say for example, I'm using microphone DJM2 USB microphone, then do a right click and go for properties. Here in this new window, just go for driver. And here you need to go for update driver. Here it has these two options, automatically and as well as manually look for drivers, then select the first one. And here, if the best drivers for your device is already installed, then close this and go for update driver again and then select the second one. And then here you need to go for let me pick what's best for my computer, and here we are actually rolling back the driver. And since we are rolling back the driver, you need to try all of these options one by one. Let's say for example, the first option, you need to click on next and check if what's best work for you. What's work for you best. And then here you need to, and let's say if it still doesn't work, then go to the second option and then click on next and check if it's working for you. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's close this and go to the last step, the very important step, which is to go back for sound settings. and then scroll down to locate more sound settings. Just simply click the arrow icon here. And then here in this new window, just make sure that under the playback, your speaker, the main speaker is in default. Okay? So if in case your main speaker is not in check mark, just click this and then apply and then OK. And might as well here in the recording, just make sure that the microphone that you are using is in check mark and then click on apply and then OK. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix no sound problem issues. Hopefully these steps helps you, and if yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos, and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.